Namaste. In this lecture, we are going to have some more examples of declaration and expression tags in JSP. So go to web content, press the right mouse button, go to new, give a file name for your JSP program, any name. If you are happy with the name, click on finish. So let me give the name expression and declaration 1. Okay, now we are going to write the HTML tag, then body tag. In the body tag, let me give the comment following is the declaration tag. So in this declaration tag, I am going to declare some variables and a function. Okay, so as you know, this is how we give the declaration tag: angular bracket starts and percentile exclamation symbol. So I'm going to declare a function. I have written int cube. Within parentheses, I have given a formal parameter int num. We just want to calculate the cube of the number that will be passed to this function, to this method. So in this method, I have declared a simple variable cb. Then I have written cb is equal to num into num into num, of course, which will get the cube that will be put into cb, and subsequently this variable cb, its value will be returned back. Okay, so that was the end of our declaration tag. Now I am going to give another comment with angular bracket starts, percentile, hyphen hyphen. Following is the rather I would say expression tag. So in the expression tag, as you know, angular bracket starts, percentile is equal to. Here I am calling the function that was declared in the declaration tag with the name cube. So I have written percentile is equal to cube 10. This function will be called. In the next expression tag, I have called the same method, but this time over with the value 50. So this is your declaration tag, this one, and these are your expression tags. Okay, so let me press the right mouse button, go to run as, click on run on server, save if you are prompted to. Then after the execution, we are expecting the result. Let me re-execute it. Okay, the code is correct. Let's try its re-execution. To run as, run on server. This is it. This is the output, 1000 and then 3375 cubes of 10 and 15 respectively. So you have seen we have declared a function in the declaration tag, then subsequently we have called the function twice from within the expression tag. Now go to new file. I am going to write down another sample JSP program that will use expression and declaration tag. Give it any name. If you are happy with the name, click on finish. So I'm going to start with HTML tag. Okay, then body tag starts. So let me give the comment following is the declaration tag. So I'm going to declare a function again, and this is the function which will calculate and return the simple interest. So our declaration tag starts with percentile exclamation symbol, and here first I am going to declare some variables. For principal amount, I have declared a variable called PMT and assigned it the value 1000. Then I am going to declare a variable for rate of interest, which is ROI, Okay, then I have declared another variable for duration, that is time. The name of the variable is tm, which could be anything. ROI is for rate of interest, and I have declared another variable SINT, which is pertaining to simple interest. Okay, so let me write the function with the name get simple interest. Here I am going to give the list of formal parameters: int pmt1 comma float ROI1. These are the formal parameters, then int tm1. Okay, so within the body of this function, okay, because there is no need to declare SINT because it has already been declared in the declaration tag. So what I would write is SINT is equal to pmt1 into ROI1 into tm1. These are our formal parameters which will be catching the values of the past parameters. Then I would say return SINT, simple interest would be returned. So far so good. Now I am going to write another command because I am going to start with the scriptlet tag, with the expression tag. Percentile hyphen hyphen following is the expression tag hyphen hyphen percentile. So this way I will close the command tag. So here I start the expression tag. Percentile is equal to get simple interest pmt comma tm. These are the variables which were declared in the declaration tag. So let me initialize these variables with some values. For PMT I have already assigned it with 1000, TM has been assigned the value 2 and ROI 19.5. Okay, so far so good. So I have called this function. Because the former parameters, they have been written in the sequence, like the first parameter is of int, second of float, and third is int. At the time of calling also the same sequence should be followed. So this is the message that I am writing, simple interest is equal to. Okay, then let me call it for the second time with some different set of values. Percentile is equal to another expression tag get simple interest, and this time I am going to pass some constant values. So right, okay, it should be 9.5 f because it happens to be a float data type, because by default they are taken to be of double data type. So this was our declaration tag, see it carefully. This was our expression tag, right? Good job. Okay, now we will execute the program by pressing the right mouse button, go to run as, click on run on server, and let me wait for some time. Okay, I'm going to re-execute it. This is it. So the simple interest function was called twice, and the right results, the appropriate results, are being displayed. Just have a look at the program. It was written. So we want both the simple interests to be printed on the different lines. So I have used this tag BR for breaking the line, and if you want to print the simple interest in bold, you can simply use the HTML tag B. Okay, save it, re-execute the program. Yeah, this is the output.